Today we're looking at a painting by Hamilton artist E. Robert Ross called Looking West, Gros Morne Mountain, Newfoundland from 2015. This is acrylic on canvas, and today I'd like to talk about a couple things in relation to this particular painting. The first one is scale, and the second will be optical mixing. So when you look at this, you can see in relation to this painting, it's a very large scale painting. It's in 3 panels, each of which are actually attached to each other with some pretty serious hardware. We have some great images from the install that shows these 3 panels put together. When we talk about scale in paintings, you can see how that's going to make a very big difference in how you relate to what you're looking at. It's quite imposing, and it could also be described as being sublime. So here I can get in very close, but I can also get very far away, and I still have quite an interaction with the artwork. If you can imagine this on a very small scale, so a very small painting, you would interact quite differently. It would be more intimate. And so let's get into optical mixing. Optical mixing is where your eye and your brain do a lot of the color work for a painting. So when you look at this painting, you see in the trees and in the rocks, and especially in the water, how optical mixing works with your eye. So the artist could have blended each different paint and smoothed them out carefully to create something that's quite convincing close up and far away. In this case, optical mixing is working through different dots of color placed close to each other and then further apart, so that when you step further away, your eyeball mixes those light blues and purples and dark blues together to create water that is shaded and rippling very gently. So the scale and optical mixing are at work together in a large scale painting.